And last but definitely not the least, our next judge is Dr. Noel Tolentino, who is an international lecturer on health, personal, and organizational development. He graduated from DLSU TAC and from the DLSU College of Medicine. He is a practicing surgical oncologist at the St. Luke's Medical Center. He is the chairman of the Department of Surgery of the CEU School of Medicine and the past president of the Philippine Society of Oncology. Dr. Ronald Tolentino is a surgical oncologist from St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City, and he is also fully affiliated with Manila Med, the Los Santos Medical Center, and Mary Child's General Hospital. He is a clinical observer at the following institutions: University Hospitals of Columbia University, and Weill Cornell Medical College in New York, USA, University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Care Center, and the Cancer Care Center in Beijing, China. Dr. Tolentino also finishes molecular biology for health professionals at St. Luke's Medical Center and has a master's degree in business administration and health degree from the Ateneo Graduate School of Business in Makati City. He had his training intensified in high-intensity focused ultrasound for tumors at the Chongqing Medical University and at the Swing Central Hospital in China. He is the past president of the Philippine Society of Oncology. He is also currently a surgery professor, level 4 at the Emilio Aguinaldo College of Medicine in Manila. He was the former training officer of the Division of Surgical Oncology at St. Luke's Medical Center, QC, and the Department of Surgery at Amam Rodriguez Memorial and Medical Center. Currently, he is the program director of the Manila Med Surgical Oncology Fellowship Program.
And since his residency days, Dr. Tolentino has won several first-place awards in research papers contests. He has published several scientific papers in local and international publications. His teaching career started after his residency program. He has given hundreds of talks for different organizations locally and internationally. He is a YouTube vlogger, and the account name is Tolentino Roel. He has the highest number of videos uploaded among general surgeons. He was a former editor-in-chief of 2 medical newsletters and of the Philippine Journal of Oncology. He was awarded Most Outstanding Researcher in Oncology in 2018 and Most Outstanding Teacher in Oncology in 2023, both awards from the Philippine Society of Oncology. In 2024, he was named as one of the top 50 physicians in medical tourism. It was awarded by the Palanca Publishing Group. Let us give a big round of applause for Judge Dr. Robert Tolentino. And now it's time for the most anticipated